Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. So GALA still has another chance to move up here in this fifth wave. We have seen already 3 waves to the downside. That is certainly enough for an ABC pattern. What I obviously cannot rule out is that we get a deeper wave 4. Or that we even get another 1-2 setup, but that would only get likely if we drop below the 3.4 cent level. That is why we've got this support box, right? Because the wave 4 is valid as long as we're holding this. And obviously in here you can get all sorts of funny shapes and moves within the daily volatility. But as long as we don't really have a breakout of the support area, we don't really have a clear direction. It's basically range bound at the moment. My view, as you know, of GALA here is that it moved up in a wave 1, came down in 2. This was probably a wave 3, similar to Mana. And we're now in the 4th wave. Would move up in another 5th wave afterwards. Alternatively, this is only an ABC structure. Then we would break below the 3.4 cent level, and below 3.4 cents, it obviously increases the risk that we are breaking down directly and make a new low. But there is still a chance to hold support around this previous wave 2 low or a little bit higher, which is at 2.28 cents. But that's really the last chance for the bulls then. We would then move in just a deeper correction. However, if this is really only an ABC and we come down impulsively and now rally impulsively below the 3.4 cent level, then it indicates that a high has been made and this is just a impulsive sell-off, and this was just sort of a fake out corrective move up. But at the moment it doesn't really look like it. That is why I'm still hoping and waiting for another wave up, ideally without crossing the previous swing low, which was here at 3.6 cents. Why does it not look like that we have an impulsive move down? Well, because the move down is not an impulse. Very clear. I mean, yes, surely. I mean, this move down was in 3 waves at the moment, at least. So I have reasons to believe that this is just a correction and we should see some more upside here. Ideally without crossing here this swing low. And why is that? Because then we could say that we are currently already in the 5th wave, even though there is not enough evidence, but there's some very early indications. You could say this was maybe a wave 1, this is now a 2, and we would move up like this. But to make this work, I mean, you can identify here a 3-wave move down already. Doesn't look finished yet. Ideally, we are holding here the 3.8 cent level. We already nearly touched it. To make it exact, 3.8 cents. The 78.6 retrace. Such a 1-2 setup is valid technically as long as we're holding above 3.61 cents. And then we could already be in the 5th wave. Further indication that we are in the 5th wave would be a move above this swing high at 4.3 cents. And it needs to be a sustained breakout, which means we need to hold this support then. And then if we break above 4.5 cents, which is this wave 1 high, we have further evidence. Should we move up from here in the 3rd wave now, then the target just for the small 3rd wave would be 5.3 cents, and then we would obviously move higher, maybe to 6.2 here in this 5th wave of the 5th. All of that is valid as long as we're holding the previous swing low at 3.6 cents. If we break it, we have another chance to hold, but then we must not drop below 3.4. Otherwise, this whole chart gets unreliable and difficult. Therefore, personally, if I was trading this long, which I'm not doing at the moment, but if I was doing it, I would set a stop loss below the green support area. Maybe not too close, because sometimes you can get a wick to the downside. But that's what I'd be doing, because my assumption would be if we break below this support area, we can come down quite a bit. Okay, that's my update about GALA. Unfortunately, not too much new information here to add, but I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about GALA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.